Hi, everyone. Welcome to your last 21-day intention day. How did you do? What's your summary of what changed in your life or what got better or how you were maybe much more used to meditating or checking in or noticing the positive things around you? I just wanted to report in for me. I, on day like 20, was it 2019? I really noticed something shifted and a lot of good things started coming towards me all at once, sort of things that I had been thinking about and meditating on, and just continuing to notice some of my gratitude on the daily basis, just noticing much more positive things coming in on the regular. And it's amazing how powerful intention is, how powerful gratitude is. And when you take time to check in with yourself, things can really shift. Um, so I was happy to be doing this journey alongside you. And I wanted to just remind you that we can stay connected. If you liked this intention, like it below. If you want to know more things that are up with me, subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'd love to stay connected with you. I'd love to hear your feedback. So my best wishes to you on the start of 2024. You did it. You did something positive for yourself, and let's keep it going. So thinking about you, sending you lots of good wishes, and take care.